So now friends, we will create a waterfall chart in Power BI. So we have a screen here of Power BI, and so in the visualization tab we have this waterfall chart here. So I will just click here and we have a format of waterfall chart with us, and now we have a categories here, breakdown, y-axis. So we will take all elements here. So in categories I will go and take from this order date. If I will click on this order date, and just like we have this order date hierarchy, I will take years from here and just drag it to the category. So we have order date with our year wise. So next I will go to the sales. I will just go down and find out sales here and just take sales in the y-axis. So now we have a waterfall chart. So it is yearly wise, it is showing us the sales of, and this is our total sales. Like in blue we have a total sales, and beside that like we have a green, means like increase sale, and like if we have red here, then it will be a decrease sale. Now in breakdown, what we will do in breakdown, I will take some other field like your category. So I will put category here, and if you want to see the sales, like we have different sales according to the categories here. So in some, like in technology, in the year 2016 we have a decrease sale. In office supplies we also have a decrease sale. So this way we can find out like in which area we are having a more sales and in which area which we are having a less sale. So like in place of category, if we will put some other field, like we will put region there, and then we want to see the breakdown sales, then we can see like according to the region we are having a different sales here. So this is the benefit of a water chart, which will show us the maximum sale, like in the month of, like in the year in 2017 we have more sales in year west. And if you want to make any changes to our legend, we can do that also. Like if you will increase this size so it will be more clear, 22, or either I will take 18, 15 is okay. So I will take it 15 and bold it, and beside that I will go to next level, which is the x-axis, and in values I will again take it to 15. So that will be more clear, and we can understand the water chart in better way. So then I will go to format here. So there are different breakdown, we can say the breakdown of our sales in different way. And beside that, like if you want to in sum of sales, if you want to take the profit, we can even take profit also. So it will show according to the profit also, so whatever profit we have made. So this is the benefit, like which we can find out the maximum profit what we have got in a particular year in a certain region. So, and beside region we can take any other field which can be done there. So that's all in this video.